Did you know you can switch your iCloud account on your iPhone without losing a single precious photo or important document? First things first, we need to ensure your data is safe. Head into your iPhone's Settings app. At the very top, you'll see your Apple ID. Tap on it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. You'll find the Sign Out option. Tap it. A prompt will appear asking what you want to do with your data. Important. Make sure you select the option to keep on my iPhone. For things like contacts, calendars, and Safari data that you want to retain before signing out. Your iPhone will then begin the process of signing out of your old iCloud account. This might take a few moments. Once signed out, you'll see a familiar screen prompting you to sign into your iPhone. This is where you'll enter the details for your new iCloud account. Enter your new Apple ID and password accurately and follow any on-screen prompts for two-factor authentication. After you've successfully signed into your new account, your iPhone will guide you through setting up iCloud. You'll be asked if you want to merge data from your previous account. Choose to merge or sync the data as prompted. Now navigate back to Settings, tap on your new Apple ID, and then tap on iCloud. Ensure that all the toggles for the data you want to keep, like photos, contacts, mail, and Drive, are turned on. Your iPhone will then begin downloading and syncing all your data from the new iCloud account. This might take some time depending on the amount of data you have and your internet connection. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your iCloud account without losing any of your valuable information. Enjoy your refreshed iCloud experience.